Important things you should know in Italian community. Via, street, stadio, stadium, statua, statue, stazione de servizio, gas station, ufficio postale, post office, banca, bank, fabbrica, factory, ospedale, hospital, cinema, biblioteca, library, semaforo, traffic light, scuola, school, parcheggio, parking, negozio, shop or store, marciapiede, sidewalk, albergo, hotel, ristorante, restaurant, parco, park, chiesa, church, piazza, public square. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you for watching.